create.
Pork tenderloin in Hoisin sauce. I'm going to show you how to prepare this, and it's going to have a side of rice to make it delicious. So pork tenderloin in Hoisin sauce. So I have about a pound, maybe a little bit over a pound of a pork tenderloin. And what you're going to do, you're going to cut it, okay? Cut in chunks. You can cut it further. I put it in an oven-friendly container. So I'm going to start with a little bit of soy sauce, about a tablespoon. I have some balsamic vinegar, adding some European to the Asian thing, you know what I mean? So it's about maybe a couple teaspoons. Balsamic vinegar. Few drops of sesame oil. Just a few drops. Then I'm going to add the Hoisin sauce. See how thick? Have to be careful. About 2 teaspoons. And I say I have to be careful because it's sweet, you know. And I have some ginger, ground ginger. And I added it now because, and this is about a teaspoon, by the way. Because if I put it first and add the liquids, it kind of, you know, move it out. I have some garlic powder. No garlic salt, but garlic powder. And I have some fresh garlic too, why not, right? Just mince it. Then what you're going to do, you're going to mix it together. Oh, it smells delicious. See? And you're going to leave it outside for about maybe 15 to 30 minutes. You can do this overnight. But if you do overnight and you put it out, leave it outside for about 20 minutes because you want the meat to go to room temperature so it can cook perfectly. I'm going to put it on top of a cast iron to make sure the container holds. And I'm preheating the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I cooked it for about 40 minutes. 30 minutes would have been sufficient. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty.